Where are we right now? Uy, you vlog, where are we?
We are at Radium pala. Ano yun?
Radium.
Kaya bawal na ingay. Pang exercise.
Wow.
That's atin me. Ang init.
The pictures. Ano? Ano? Anong entry mo? Ano? Okay. This is Radium. Yan sila mami, oh.
Ay, shower na nito.
Weird yung ano ko. Phone. How much yung ano dito? Entrance ma?
17.
17 per person. Wait lang, papa-picture kami. Ito yung washroom. It's so nice. Oh, what the people know. We already finished. We're done sa Radium Hot Springs. So,
Nagpapalit pa yung mga tao. So, inaantay na lang namin.
and then I think we're gonna go to a grocery store and then we're gonna go to Panorama. So, yeah. Just waiting.
This is ano pala, hindi pala an hour.
Mga 30 minutes.
30 minutes away from Panorama.
Yeah, and then like 9 hours away from Vancouver. We drove. Okay.
Nag-drive kami from Vancouver papuntang Revelstoke. And then from Revelstoke, nagpunta kami dito sa Radio. Nag-overnight kami sa
Yeah. Mamaya na lang ulit.
So, ito pala yung hot spring. May cold plunge pala dito, guys. Pero, yeah.
Oh
my
that looks so nice. Do you see it, Moy?
Oh my God.
Swag. She got some swag.
Moy, what's Riz? What's Riz?
Like getting a girl.
Like you have Riz?
Yeah, it's like hooking up with a girl.
What?
It's like hooking up with a girl like Riz.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Bukas yan!
That's what Riz is.
Wow.
Have you ever wore pants? No, have you ever wore a sweater and shorts in winter?
Yeah.
Shorts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In what degree?
It's so nice. Medyo makulimlim. Tingin. Amazing. Zigzaggy. Welcome to Panorama.
Nakahiga pa siya.
Okay, andito na kami guys. Nagpa-park lang kami. So, parang ganito siya, bahay. And then, dalawang ganito yung kinuha namin. 2 bedrooms yung isa niyan. And then, yung isa, 1 bedroom lang. Pero, oo, marami kami. Siguro, 4 na cars kami in total. And then, yan sila nag-unpack lang. Si Kim, nag-park. So, yeah.
This is our house. Closet. What is that? Oh, washroom. Ooh, washroom.
Nice.
This is bedroom. And then there's the masters. Masters here with a walk-in closet.
Mimi, can I stay here until my mom comes?
Oh yeah, of course.
And then that's the entrance. And then This is our living room.
We have pool.
Huh? Do we?
Yeah. We have access. We have barbecue.
And then we have a pool over there. And we have a barbecue.
Pretty.
Wow, this is nice. This is so nice. I want one.
I have kitchen.
This is so nice. Oh. Ma, anong nararamdaman mo na ito na ang bagong bahay mo?
Bagong bahay. Bakasyonan lang.
Wow, congrats on the new house. Nag-start na sila mag-cook.
Sa papa mo.
Ano ulam?
Tinola at saka...
Barbecue.
Ayun, ihaw-ihaw.
What are you doing dito?
Making kasaba.
Making cassava? Vlogger ka? What are you doing?
Barbecue.
Can I see? Wow.
Talong.
What are you doing, Tito? Wow, this is our first meal at our house. Yan. Yan. Ang ganap na yun. Like that.
Thank you. Thank you for gathering us. Thank you for our safe travel.
Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to you.
Spoils the show.
May COVID kaya di mo inipas. Galing nga, blow. 1, 2, birthday. SX bang to 1, 2, 3. Birthday na ni Belinda.
Mangga tsaka singkama.
Inadagdagan ng asin yun eh, para ang karito.
Oo.
Someone causing it.
Okay, so everyone's going for a walk right now by the river. Oh, Ate Jen, may
Wording ko na. Ayan na.
orange. B.
Wait, hindi ba ganun dapat siya pa ikot?
Jackfruit. Okay.
Sasali ka na ba?
Wait, nasan yung cards mo?
Wala kayo! Wala kayo! Wala pa makasi. Diretso! Diretso! Tingin na! Tingin na! Ang init! Sige! Sige! Piso! Bawal eh! Dali! Pen of Spain! Oh my God! 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 Oh my goodness!
This is day 2.
Mamaya gumawa ka ng
We're making breakfast.
fishball.
Oo, mamaya ng gabi yun. Ano mo gagawin ko na ngayon?
Breakfast club. We're here.
Ngayon mo kayo sa akin.
Doing tests right here. In the room. Sleeping. Good morning. Oy, may na ulit. Ito si Ana.
Hi. Sino?
Ha? Vlog.
Vlog. Nagbablog. Hi, everyone. Good morning.
Nasaan
Good
tayo
morning.
ngayon?
Panorama.
Anong ginagawa mo? Ginagawa mo?
Naglilinis ng mukha.
Ano ang beauty, ano mo? Anong face, ano ba yun? Skincare routine mo ma?
Yun nilalagay ko sa mukha.
Mm-mm.
This one, no? Ano to?
Wow. Ano yan?
L'Oreal.
Age perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yan lang?
Hindi, meron pa tong ano. Moisturizing. Moisturizing.
Ano yung moisturizer?
Ito. Ganito gamitin mo.
Ano yan?
Moisturizer nga.
Anong brand yan?
It's perfect din.
Age perfect din. Wow. This video is not sponsored by L'Oreal.
Pampa-beauty.
Mhm.
Pampa-beauty?
Mami, nagre-request daw.
Na ano?
Sayaw ka daw na onte.
Sasayaw? Sasayaw.
Anong grade niya? I'm Baba. We're doing the...
Ano grade mo?
3-9.
Wow, taas ah.
We're doing the... This one. So, we're still here. In the woods. This is the outside. There's Mom. I don't know what she's doing. Tito Ramel is right there. There's a hot tub right there. Papa is right there, I think. Oh no, that's a white person. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a nice day. Here's our breakfast.
Sabi ni Rowie, kaya pa naman titi sa ilalim si Rowie. Malayo, bahay.
With SAP.
Ano, alis tayo? Alis naman tayo.
So, natapos na yung breakfast natin kanina. Kasama natin si Ate Grace. And si Friendship, nasa labas siya. Nagsiset up ng ano.
As a content creator.
Nagsiset up siya ng...
Tripod.
Nagsiset up siya ng tripod niya kasi magvi-video daw siya sa amin. But, andito kami ngayon sa ano, sa Majestic, ano pangalan nito?
Winery.
Majestic Winery something. Guys, andito to siya sa Panorama. First time namin dito. And then, gusto namin makita kasi sabi ng ate ni Kim, ano daw meron dito?
Wine daw.
Wine daw na... Wine siya na pwedeng tserbahin. So, tara, let's go. Explore natin. Ito siya guys, Majestic You Brew and Wine. Saan ba? Ito.
Okay, this is a historical site. River Gems. Bawal daw ang camera, so mamaya na. Okay, we're getting some ice cream now. Right across of the gallery. So cute.
May tindahan daw dito, libre popcorn. Ito yung ano nila ko bale, parang syudad dito sa ano.
Downtown.
Oo, downtown dito sa area na to.
In Vermeer.
In Vermeer. And, ang ganda. Mamaya pakita namin sa inyo yung ano. Ayan yung mountains. Oh. Ito yung sinasabi ko na mamaya. Pero ayan na pala siya. Yung mga mountains siya. Ang ganda, no? Ah. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord, for the beautiful weather. Car wash. We're home. Nakabahay na kami. We're gonna go for a walk and then go swimming now. Boo boo. Ito po ang ganap. Ayan. Ayan, nagtitiktok. TikTok sila. Oh. Okay, so we need to ride one of these to get to the other side of the village. Okay. Here we go. So this is the area where they ski in the winter, but then it's for biking, like summer. They're just taking photos. You get one towel.
No, you don't have to.
May security guard din dito. This is the pool area. So there are a few pools. This one is the big pool, and then there's a smaller pool there, and then there are 2 hot tubs.
And then there's me.
And there's it's pretty big. Yeah, so we're just waiting. We're just waiting for everyone to get out of the shower, and then we're heading back to have dinner tonight, and then they're gonna play some games. Yeah, and then tomorrow morning we pick up the wine that we bought.
30 bottles.
We bought 30 bottles of wine. And then after that, we're just gonna start driving. Kasi we have to stop sa Revelstoke. I forgot my glasses at the hotel in Revelstoke, so we have to stop there. And then it's a long way to drive after. So, BRB. This is the gondola from the top. It's a very quick ride. And it's also free. Comes with the stay. Ano masasabi mo?
Tungkol saan?
Tungkol kay Papa.
Feeling ko nasa Pilipinas tayo.
Ganyan ba yan sa Pilipinas? Dinner. And Senegal.
Paminta.
What is that?
May paminta ka? Ensaladang talong.
Saladang talong.
Ayun, so meron kamati.
Ayan. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Friendship.
Now we need a corker. Who wants to be the corker?
Sure.
You want to be the corker? Okay. So you come and grab this from Grace, and I will show you how to chopping wood or anything. Okay. There we go. Then you're gonna push down real easy and tilt it out like that. Just hand it off to your labeler.
Okay.
Oh, it's like Christmas.
Yeah.
Let's do
3 seconds.
oh, 3 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh, is that
Quick.
ready?
You'll see.
Quick.
Quick notes or Rocky?
Good
Just
job.
go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good.
Wait lang, friend mo. Good morning, everybody! Sunday ngayon, and pauwi na kami ng Vancouver. Maulan siya. So, kanina, nag-check out kami ng mga 10 siguro dun sa hotel. And then, may dinaanan kaming winery. Kinuha namin yung orders namin ng mga wine. And then, ngayon,
We bought 30.
bumili kami ng 30 pieces na wine. And then, kalahati andun sa family ni Kim, dinala nila sa Calgary. And then, yung kalahati dala namin. So, may, I think 15 kami na wines dala ngayon, galing dito sa Panorama. But anyways, medyo masama ang panahon ngayon, kaya, fully alert kami ni Kim, pero si Kim lang naman talaga magdadrive. Lang kami, bantay-bantay, ingat lang talaga. And then yung family ni Kim, andun sila dumiretso sa Lake Louise bago sila uwi ng Calgary. So update namin kayo mamaya, guys. Ito pala yung daan. Ayan, so maulan-ulan talaga, madilim ang kapaligiran. So, dadaan muna tayo ng Revelstoke kasi may dadaanan tayo. Yung eyeglasses ni Kim na iwan doon. But we'll see you guys later!